Anasi tamutswana Denzel achitaradza kuti aiwa hachadi zvinzo shamwari audza Madam Boss akati makandirega ndashaikirwa mukandisiya ndichitambudzika ushamwari wacho ngaupere. Ari kuti kana tichitobudana ngatigara tabudana ndokubva azonyora akati ari kustruggle zvikuru neheart problem saka asvika pakuti regai aburitse zviri muchest make zvingazomudzipa usiku. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Tisatapinda munyaya iyi, we are introducing to you a cash funeral policy yediaspora yakatinakira pakuti chii, pakuti wherever you are kudiaspora, uri kuMiddle East, uri kuAustralia, uri kuBritain, wherever, kunana Kenya, kunana Mozambique, you are covered. Uchinge wangotora policy iyi, you are immediately covered for accidental cover. Then mamwe aya ane waiting period shoma but kana uchinge wazowirwa nedambudziko rerufu unowana cash yekuti iri flexible to do what you want. We pay up to 30,000 pounds guys. Tukutaura mari kwa Queenika apa. So ndichasiya link pa comment section apo, then maybe you follow that link muchawana ma agents edu akamirira kuti akubatsirei kujoina nyaya yakanaka iyi. Regai tidzokere panyaya yaDenzel iyi. So Denzel ati iye haasi kutombo varegerera vanhu, ataura macelebrity akawanda ekuZimbabwe akati iye munhu wega nomira naye ndiMagic. Ati kuna Madam Boss, I will never bite the hand that once fed me, but I might die not saying this. Hatichatamba tese in capital letter, and I don't think I will ever forgive you, cause the real question is, where were you when I needed you the most? You got busy, right? Keep it that way, Nekusinga Perry. You really made me feel like you only need me when it's to your advantage. But boss kuti so mukomana ari kukangamwa kuti Madam Boss vakataura kuti my bloodline on the front line, kwete zvimwe zvekusangana mumastreets omu. Madam Boss vanenge vachishandirawo bloodline ravo. Denzel vanakumira ipapo aisawo vamwe akavaudza kuti I respect the fact that you acknowledge the poor background we came from and you want to be a successful person in life, but unenge kasnake iwe. Kana ndikataurwa ndisipo unoti I'll find out soon, but for now tiribo. I need real people boys rangu, because I'm also real to you. Nasi ngatiudzane chokwadi. Kana tichibudana tobva tangobudana, and if we are fixing it we move forward. I'm tired of keeping stuff in my heart. Let's go. Ndokubva azoisa Hatiperi akati iye uyu he thinks he is too superior than everyone, and he really thinks tesa tina basa mu life. For that reason handikufarire. In capital letters zvakare, the same way God lifted you is also the same way He can lift anyone else. So hakuna munhu asina basa. Paiswa dzimwe shamwari dzikanzi you are fake, ndokuzoenda kugirlfriend yake akati iye uyu I told her to be patient a bit, but we had different goals and dreams, so each had to follow what they wanted, despite the fact that we were powerful, united than divided, and I respect her for that. I have a lot to say, but I will never say it for now. This is what I have, and don't ever ask me about her. I'm tired. So Hanzi ndakazofunga kuti uyu is going to use what she knows about my sickness against me. Ndobva kwazoiswa Magic kokupedzisira ukanzi uyu is a true friend, brother. I confirmed it spiritually. So mukomana has been out there mana achitukana nevanhu, but then azoburitsa nyaya yaita kuti vanhu vakawanda vawire pasi vakati yo inga nyika yakatakura kurema. So Denzel wanyora nyaya yake akati chaita kuti azotaura mashoko aya ndechekuti all of you don't know, but I've been living with injections and medications for the past months, and my doctors are always saying, why are you depressed? They have been telling me that very soon you are going to collapse and die, because I also have a heart problem caused by cardiomyopathy, coronary artery disease, and no one knows about this, even the closest people to me or my family. I even went on to refuse a heart transplant because I'm afraid I want to wake up again. It's painful and hard to live a life where you don't know if you wake up the next morning. To be honest, I'm afraid sometimes because I have dreams and goals I want to achieve. Just like any other man out there, I also want a nice car, home, and stable, happy family. But the fact that I have to live every day like it's my last day on earth is killing me slowly. And I'm getting impatient because I really feel like it's against me. And I want because I really feel like time is against me and I won't achieve what I want early. I still need to work hard for the life I want, even though I don't have time. I've tried to talk to my friends about it. Magic, kuti brother, if I die, one day muchaita say, and it ends up as a joke. But indirectly, I'm trying to warn him, kuti one day, I will just fall tiripakati, peskit brother, and I'm gone, and you guys, you are too close to me, too much. I don't want you heartbroken, boys Rango. I don't even know if he notices, but sometimes I just change my mood or keep quiet. The reason I stay very far away from my friends and I stay alone is I don't want them to see the pain I go through every day and I have to smile as if everything is okay. I once had a girlfriend who noticed all of this sickness and everything, but unfortunately I had to break up with her because I thought she would use it against me one day, and I'm really sorry. One of the reasons you see me at church and love God so much is if I want to wake up one day, at least I want to make it to heaven. That's why I will worship God forever and I will love God always, despite the fact that I'm sick and might just die anytime soon from now. The reason why I wrote what I wrote on my previous stories is I honestly want to fix everything with everyone. I have no bad intentions or anything, cause any time might be bad news for me and I have a lot of words on my chest. So I decided to tell them how I really feel. I'm also human and I make mistakes every day. And if I've wronged you unknowingly or knowingly, please find a place in your heart to forgive me because nguva yekurarama kwangu yashoma. I love you so much, guys, for your support. I thank you and love keeps me going. You're my fans and irimuno wenyu, and whatever I'm going through, you guys deserve to know. This is touching zvachose mukomana adurura zviri pakati pemoyo wake. Sometimes tinotosha kuti ko zvaitirwei, but it is a way yeku reach out there kuti vedwe ndine zviri kundinetsa. Even if it was done in a way yekuti tiwane attention, timupe attention. We thought kuti itora album launch ka iri kuitiwa, but aiwa mukomana ari kuti iye mazuva ake kurarama mashoma. Friends Wanyora akati shall be well, Mwari ngavakusimbise. There is a reason why you are alive today. Baba rijondo kuti hakuna chirwere chine capacity yekutora munhu nguva isati yakwana. Chinotora inguva. Kana isati yakwana, whether unorwara kana kuti aurwara, hauna kwaunoenda. Saka zvamanje tiri tese hauna kwauri kuenda. You will not die but live to proclaim the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Believe in a miracle. We all in the same situation as you. No one knows when and how they are going to die. There are still people who are healthy but still died before you, and some will die and you are still here. Imagine 17 people that died in that accident. They didn't have heart problem but they still died. Mindset is everything. The devil plays with your mind to make you dwell on the negative. BP yotokwira, wotopezera watoti di, nekuti ropa ranyanyisa kurova nepressure. Saka zvimwe zvacho zvinoda kungoita let go and let God. Ndo nyaya iri pano. Denzel ari kuti yasi kunzwa zvakanaka uye rufu runogona kungogogodza. Ndo mashoko aDenzel aya ari kuti iye anytime anogona kungoti di obva atongonyarara. Isusu kuno kwetiri hatitoziviwo kuti tinogona kungodona nguva iyo. Saka ndosika tichingoti ngatigarei takagadzirira totora mafuneral policy. We can do what we can humanly possible. Zvimwe zvese tomirira nguva yaMwari. Kuna vasati vajoina diaspora, chibai matongobaya link iyoyi muwana kubatsirwa. Kuna Denzel, munhu ngaasimbe. Don't dwell on the negatives because my negatives aya anobva atoita kuti utokuvara nedepression. And mapiritsi aya no depression anogona kuita temper nemapiritsi aya emoyo. Pobva paitika maproblems akawanda. Shiri mudiki zvokuti urambe uchitambudzwa necardiomyopathy. Zvakaoma. But anyway, get well soon, and we hope kuti vawanyorera tsamba vese vana Madam Boss ava, they are going to reach out and you guys make peace because tinoda kuona ma content creator edu ese achitamba pamwe chete. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to leave your comment kuti video redu rifambe.